KL-2E Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. Boat stretcher, handlebar, arm frame, water basin, assistance desk. Turn on the power switch. Connect the handheld controller. Overall table rise. Backboard folding up. Overall table drop. Backboard folding down. Low head high. Step down the pedal and release it outwards to move the delivery bed. Step down the pedal and bring the pedal into the limiting device and lock the delivery bed. Press fastening device handle and remove armrest. Hold down the fastening device handle, clip the armrest into the slide rail, release the handle to complete the installation. Pull the adjusting handle to adjust the armrest angle and release the angle lock of the handle. When in use, it is withdrawn outward and can be cleaned down. When not in use, it is collected inward. Pull out the auxiliary table. Lift the auxiliary table above the syncline. Push the auxiliary table to the bed body and fit it. Pull out the auxiliary table. Bring support tables into bed.